So this is the Infinix Smart 9. Now the question is, does it have any upgrades? Is it any different from the Infinix Smart 8? Is it any better? Let's have a quick rundown of what is new or different. But firstly, in case you are interested, the Smart 9 goes for about $80 to $85, which will run you upwards of about 133,000 Naira. Now, the first noticeable change has to be its design. It no longer has the washed out iPhone knockoff look. Rather, its redesigned camera module has the Smart 9 looking quite sleek. It has a really slim form factor and it is still made of plastic. You should however have your Smart 9 in a protective case the minute you get one, because it is one heck of a slippery device. Thankfully, you get a protective case included in the package with all the usual accessories. Speaking of being different, the Smart 9 seems to have a 2-in-1 flash setup. I did however notice only the one on the top is a flash, and I am guessing the one under should be either a light sensor or an infrared. I couldn't find any remote apps or control panels on the Smart 9, so I'm guessing Infinix will give us some clarity soon. The next noticeable change has to be the introduction of a second speaker on the top of the device for stereo effect, which does have the Smart 9 sounding much better than its predecessor. Everything else is pretty much the same in terms of its layout. While we're on the topic, Infinix claims it is durable and drop resistance certified. I would take that with a pinch of salt. The Infinix Smart 9 is slightly bigger with a 6.7 inches 720 pixels IPS LCD. The Smart 9 claims to have a 120Hz refresh rate. Honestly, the claim is just a marketing strategy, so pay no attention to it, as the Smart 9 definitely maintains the same 90Hz as on the Smart 8. Talk about misinformation. The Smart 9 also features the dynamic bar, as first seen on the Smart 8, as well as always on display, which is an added bonus courtesy Android 14. It also has AI assistance for your everyday task. Its display is cool for consuming content with decent levels of saturation and contrast, and a little less sharpening on the Smart 9. You will enjoy watching movies, social media videos, and playing games more on the Infinix Smart 9 thanks to its dual speakers. It maintains a 500 nits peak brightness, which is fine indoors, but not good enough under direct sunlight. The Infinix Smart 9 has an IP54 certification, and also interesting on the Smart 9 is an upgraded screen sensitivity, which allows full functionality of its display even when it has some water on it. This is especially useful for people with sweaty palms. The Infinix Smart 9 has got a boost to its processor with a MediaTek Helio G81 CPU. It is powered by Android 14 Go Edition on XOS 14. Okay, so that's about all that is new, different or upgraded on the Infinix Smart 9. If I am not forgetting anything. Like the Smart 8, it comes in 3 or 4 GB of RAM and 64 or 128 GB of storage. Sadly, no version of this will have it good enough for gaming. High graphics games will lag the fun out of it. You can however enjoy low graphics games or manage higher graphics games in their lowest possible graphics settings. I am sure there will be people in the comments telling me how PUBG Mobile is playing very smoothly on their Infinix Smart 9. Well, I am happy for you. The Infinix Smart 9 has a 5000 mAh battery and comes with a leg-dragging 10 watts charger, making it a painful charging experience. I advise you try to get a full charge before you start your day because there is no charging it quickly. It maintains the same camera specs as on the Smart 8, with a 13 megapixels main camera and an 8 megapixel selfie camera, with a front-facing flashlight which now has 3 levels of intensity for both the front and back flash. It shoots videos at 720 and 1080p 30 frames per second. Here are some samples.
Alhamdulillah, God is the greatest. He made me perfect in ways they could not imagine. Though my ancestors Masonic, I'm a free spirit. Now my vocals moving supersonic through these upper echelon and tribe of Zebulon. Rap phenomenon, Iman's elder son. Call to greatness, follow tennis. Full percentage, I don't give it. Humble spirit, man, I got it. We even gave up that chronic for a minute so we could refocus and then chase his dreams out till the end. Now it's evident our priorities wasn't unique.
I think they are definitely better than the Smart 8. The Infinix Smart 9 is good for your everyday task and great for average users. You will find bloatwares as usual, but I haven't noticed ads just yet. Scrolling through the phone is smooth and responsive. It is a worthy upgrade from the Smart 8. If you already own a Smart 8, I will only recommend you trade it in for the Smart 9 because I so do not like its design. They are both really cool devices though. Check out these videos if you are still not convinced. Subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like. Thank you for your time. Till we see you again. Bye bye.